Hello, this is David Birch at StarPath School of Navigation with a very short note to illustrate a point in an ongoing article. This is the HRRR rapid refresh, high resolution rapid refresh data loaded into Expedition. It has 15 hours of data, and I just want to illustrate, and we're actually talking in this article about the northern waters, but this is southern, sort of what we're calling southern waters, central Puget Sound here. And I just want to look at this, how nice this new data is. So you see, here's a case where we have actually a pretty rare westerly across the sound down here, and then up here a light southerly with the wind clearly stronger on this side than that side. So now we can step through this, but actually Expedition has this nice picture here. What do we got? A pressure 1020, 1020.5, 1020.5. So this is 1020.5. So in here, this is a ridge. So this is a little bit higher here, maybe 1020.78. I don't know. But we can look at, just go down to this point here, and then we right click. Can I do that? Why not? Right click. Okay, and show the meteogram. So this is 15 hours a day. The way this meteogram works, I click here, and it just shows me how the parameters are going to change there over the next period of time. And this is the 15 hours we have. Here's 3, 6, 9, 12, and then these two together add up to 15. This is the present time. So what we see then is the true wind direction. You can also see the wind direction here. So what it's doing is kind of backing around. This wind's backing around. The wind speed, the green number, look at that. The wind speed's building up from almost nothing up to around 10 knots and then leveling off, coming back down. And the pressure as the wind is backing around is just gradually dropping. So we get that real quick picture from this meteogram. But then to look, or we can also then go up here and click the meteogram up here and look at how it behaves up here. A little slightly different, so on. But now what we can do is just step through here and look how this wind's change in the sound. And so we have here, that's the present time. Here's let's see, oh, I clicked it twice, I think. Let me go back. All right, here's where we're starting, yeah. And then I go 60 minutes forward, and now that wind, that westerly, as you see, it's backing to the south, down in the South Sound, and then so forth. So I can step through, look at the isobars. You can clearly, with a good barometer, you could watch that pressure drop as this system evolved like that. And you see the isobars moving across the waterway there, and the winds responding to them. And let me just see, we have 15 hours of data. I can just, is that it? So that's a sort of forecast that, oh, I think this is wrapped around. But that's the sort of data you can get now as a GRIB files, which you can then load right into your eChart program of choice. This one is Expedition.